Hi everyone, welcome back. We continue on this. Lastly we learned about align, crop and feature. Today we are going to learn about this match function. This is the most important function of this class because this is actually just comparing two faces, which is coming as feature from the previous functions, which is feature function. And also now this match function is gonna get these features and it's gonna compare according to the method we are assigning. For example, the default is the cosine distance is working in behind. So we can change, for example, the other one is the norm L2 distance, which is the other method comparing these features. So we can try both methods. Also, it's returning a double value accordingly. So we need to compare this double value if there is some values which is given in this documentation, which is detailed explaining in here. For example, for the cosine distance, the limit is this one. So if above of this is or smaller than this, or we are gonna define accordingly. So similarly for the norm L2 distance, the limit is about 1.128. So we are gonna compare our output, which is coming from the match function as double. We are gonna compare according to these numbers, which is given in the documentation. Okay. We can switch to the code part. This is the code from the previous video. We were just basically getting two images, cropping them, and after that we are just getting the features in here. So we can remove here, and we already get aligned images, but the next step we just need okay, even we do not need here, we can directly compare. We can remove this part. So we already get our feature faces. All we need to do is just putting a double value, and the result value is equal to just calling this recognizer object and calling the match function. And here we need to give the features, feature face 1 and the feature face 2. Okay, and also the other one is gonna be the FaceRecognizerSF and the type. Let's start with the cosine one. And first of all, let's see the result, how it looks like. And okay, and this is done. Now we can see the result. Let's see how it looks like. Okay, it's giving 1. 1 maybe is not normal value, which is should be if the greater than or equal to two faces have same identity, if greater than 0.363. So it should be bigger than that. It says to me they are similar but something weird, because okay, this is Obama picture, and okay, both Obama picture. Let me check. He giving feet. Oh yes, yeah. So this recognizer object is just getting feature, which is feature face then, but we are just giving one more time this. So by using the same object, we are using the same function. So it's the addresses are conflicting in here. So we need to clone them in another method, because yeah, otherwise it's not gonna work, of course. So let's say feature 1 and feature 2, and yeah. So after that we need to just clone. As soon as we get this feature face 1, we need to clone it into another method. This is important because otherwise it will take the same address of the feature face 1 or face 2 accordingly. So they will look like same always. That's why giving one value. So we need to make here feature face 2 and clone it to the feature. Then give this cloned method into the function. I think it should be different now. Yeah, 0.69, which is bigger than 0.363. So they are same identity. They are the same faces, we can say. We can give different faces also. Maybe okay. Maybe we can simply just, if the result is bigger than like this, we can write to the console, and else okay, just copy here, result is this one, and just write same face, and done. So after this we can get that into here, and different face. different faces and same face. Okay, let's run again. So these are the same faces, both Obama. I can switch with my face. The first one, let's see. Okay, this is my face and this is the Obama face, and let's see result. So it's getting 0.13, which is lower than this limit, so they are different faces. And the second one, let's try my second face. Oops, what was my face actually? It was in here. Okay, so basically 1.png. okay, just change it with 1.png, and yeah, now let's see 0.54, which also says they are same faces. So this is working fine. Let's try with the other method, which is norm L2 distance is used, and in there the limitation is just 1.128. okay, just get that here. So it's also bigger than this, right? Yeah. Or less than, or they have the same, or if we are using that, if less than this value they are same meaning, so we should just change here, and let's try. Yeah, this is same faces, and let's put Obama picture again, Obama 2 maybe, and let's compare this and this. Oh, they are all, it also says same faces. So but we didn't change this, of course, so we need to switch here, different faces. But we need to also back to here, which is both is me, and let's try. They have same faces, and let's try with Obama and Obama. Okay, and yeah, let's try again. They are same faces, but this value is coming very close, even they are different face, because very close to this one, I think. But mostly the famous one is cosine. That's why also the default method is assigned as cosine, because if you do not do anything, I think it's gonna take care of the cosine as default. If you go to the function, yeah, the cosine parameter is the default one, and the trusted one, I think, comparing to the norm L2 distance. So for this video, basically we just learned about this match function and how we can match faces. So I'm done for this video. See you in the next videos.